My boiler was just really expensive. My bills in the winter were really high, and I did some research online and I found out a heat pump can be 4 times more efficient than boiler. There was a lot of information online which I wasn't really clear about. They sent across a lot of packs which were really informative in terms of how much heat can be spread around my house. Time frame on how you deliver the product, super pleased and happy by it. Another thing is the fact that the house does actually get really warm when the settings are high, which I didn't expect because it runs on a different system. And I think it's really clever. I can go on my app and understand what is the temperature of the water in my house, what is the temperature of the rooms in my house. It's really functional, really easy to use, easily schedule your times. 100% will recommend heat pump to all my friends and all my families.